What's up, Pyros? Made another trip. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I decided to go back. Got a couple of these bangers. $5.99. Got a couple more double the trouble. They screwed on me on one. I'm missing one. I might take that one back and say, hey, got 3 more of those guys. Got these big ass Roman candles, 8-shot. He said that those are they look real good. And then I got me these rockets. Got 3 packs. They're gonna look fun. Forgot about this rocket up here. About this one a couple days ago too. This one's bigger than those. Pretty cool. So not as much, just a couple bangers, a little bit of fun stuff, but wanted to share with y'all. Y'all keep powering. Texas 5.